Is storage for tools at a premium in your garage or workshop? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a tool storage trick that frees up a little space right after this. It's time to dust off those drop cloths and rollers because it's paint week here at today's homeowner.
And Labor Day is the perfect time to tackle paint projects around your home, and we've got the expertise and advice you need.
We'll be sharing all of the best painting hacks, tips, and inspiration.
Plus, we're giving away a $100 Home Depot gift card to get the supplies you need for the perfect paint job.
So visit todayshomeowner.com/paintweek today to learn more and enter. Horizontal surfaces always seem to fill up first when storage is at a premium. In spaces like garages or workshop, that means less room to work. Here's a trick to get commonly used tools like cordless drill drivers off the bench without making them inconvenient. Try hanging them under the bench or a nearby shelf. Cut a piece of 3-inch PVC pipe about 12 inches long and make a slot in one end about 5 inches long. The width of that slot should be a little greater than the width of the drill handle. Now attach the pipe with screws to the underside of a shelf or bench with the slot facing down and forward. The drill will slide in and out while your workbench is freed up for working. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.